Hey, it's Nicole, and today I decided to do some fun marble nails with this kind of shimmery blue leaf gel polish. So I just used gel polish and art gel for the marbling with a little bit of foil. So I started off with this gelish mini in the shade Rhythm and Blue, and then Madame Glam's Perfect White for the white base for the marble. And I put the white on my middle two nails and then the blue leaf shimmery glitter color on my other ones. This is the third coat of color, and I just took my cleanup brush just to clean up the edges as I went. And then once that was all applied, I cured it for 30 seconds in my LED lamp, and then I'm taking this Mission Control gel in the shade Overdrive just to apply the basic kind of ombre outlines. I usually just started from one corner and pulled that out to like 2 or 3 different spots, and then added a different line and a little bit of color to kind of create more dimension, I guess. And then I just took this thicker brush with acetone just to blend out the color. And so I blended out those little color splotches, and then I blended out each line just on the left side because that left some definition on the other side, so it kind of looked, I just like the look that gave me. So I just kind of took some acetone and kept dipping back in the acetone on the paper towel so there wasn't too much, and you just kind of dab at the color and just watch it disperse until it kind of falls into place where you like the look that it created. And you do want to leave some gray on the outside so it's not just straight black lines. That's kind of the point of marble, is having some blending and kind of color dispersion. So just kind of go back and forth until you're happy with how that all turned out. And then once I was done with that and I was happy with how it looked, I cured it for 30 seconds. And then I decided I needed to add like some little foil segments. So I pulled some foil with my little tweezers and just applied that to my nail in a couple different little spots. And I'm just kind of dabbing on there and letting parts of it stick because I didn't want any super big segments. I just wanted kind of little small chunks of foil. And then just use your finger to just kind of make it flat and pat it down into the tacky layer. And finally, I'm taking my top coat and I applied a layer of that to all of my nails. I actually did 2 over the white nails just to make sure that foil was secured in there and laying completely flat. And once that was applied, I cured it, removed the tacky layer, and that's it for this nail art look. So thanks so much for watching. I will leave links down below if you want to know what I used, and I'll see you later. Bye guys!